Hello and welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we'll be doing our product assembly of our lasa.htg TS285. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For our first step, we'll be needing 2 parts H, 2 parts I, 4 parts G, 2 parts F, 2 parts E, 4 parts J, 4 parts L, 16 parts M, the bolts, and 8 parts D, as well as the supplied Allen key. If you have access to power tools, please use them. Let's go ahead and assemble now. We'll take our 1 part I and connect part D and our 1 part H like that. You'll see on the H side, there'll be no reduction on the pole size. Next, we take our 2 Gs. Like this for the one side. Let's continue to put the feet. Next, we'll continue on to build the other side. Same way we've done now. For our next step, we'll be needing our 2 previous assemblies, as well as 3 parts B, our shelving, 1 part C, and 12 parts M, our bolts. We'll also be needing the Allen key. If you do have power tools, please use them in this step. Let's go ahead and assemble now. Have a looking at one of these sides, you'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. In this step, when we're installing 1 part B of our shelves, we won't be adding a bolt on the I side with the reduction. That'll be in the next step. Let's go ahead and assemble now. Now is the right time to check that your holes for C line up and both sides of I are facing the same direction. For our last step, we'll be needing our previous assembly, as well as one part A, 4 parts K, and 2 of our M bolts, as well as an Allen key or something to fasten with. Let's go ahead and assemble now. Thank you so much for watching our product assembly of our lasa.htg TS285. Please visit us on www.lasa.africa for more product assemblies and more products. Thank you.